It was hot, hot, hot today. Good evening. I'm NewsLink Indiana Assistant Chief Weather Forecaster Gabe Prough. We're nearly 15 degrees cooler right now than this time yesterday. Notice that across the whole state of Indiana. You've seen that warm front lift to the north, causing those temperatures to rise dramatically today. Not feeling like fall when the first day of October is tomorrow. Notice though, we're starting to see some of those colors change well to the north. Notice into portions of northern Michigan and Wisconsin, stretching up near the Canadian border, starting to see those leaves change. We don't normally see the peak amount of fall foliage in Indiana until around mid-October, so still a few weeks to go until we reach that point. It's 88 right now. Again, it is a hot one. Winds out of the west-southwest at around 6 miles per hour, light breeze, causing it to feel like around 90 degrees. So much warmer. It doesn't feel like fall all that much, and it's going to continue to do so really through the first half of this week. Why is that? Well, notice the jet stream is causing a big ridge to be in place. It's allowing that hot, humid air to move in from the north, but look what's behind that. A deep trough that's going to push its way onto the east, causing a big cool down to arrive for the second half of this week. It seems like, and it's true, once we have this extreme heat, it's usually followed by a dramatic cool down, and we'll definitely see that later on for this week. So today we got up to 92 degrees. That broke our record of 89. I think we'll probably do the same again tomorrow, up to 90 degrees. That's my forecast high. Record's 89. It'll be a close one, but I think we can do it to break that record or at least tie it for tomorrow. Now notice for precision cast, temperatures not all that cool this evening. We'll drop down into the 60s, though by tomorrow morning back up into the lower 80s, 82 degrees by 10 a.m. and we'll top out at around 90 closer to about mid-afternoon. This is around 2 o'clock, 90 degrees here in Muncie. We're continuing to stay in the 90s through the rest of central Indiana, cooling off then later on into the afternoon and evening. So for tonight, we'll drop down just to around 70 degrees, cooling off not that much, partly cloudy skies. Those partly cloudy skies continue for the day tomorrow. Again, we'll top out around 90. It will be hot, not feeling at all like fall. And again, I think we'll break that record. It'll be a close one of 89 degrees. That was set back in the 1800s. As I teased, we'll see a big cold front move through on Tuesday. As you can see here on the mid 7-day forecast, we could see a bit of rain on Thursday. I think most of us will stay dry, but we can't rule out a stray shower, especially as you head to the north of Muncie. But look what happens after that front moves through. Temperatures down into the mid 60s on your Friday, remaining in the 60s through the weekend before another disturbance arrives Saturday night into Sunday, bringing rain chances back into the picture. For all your weather news, be sure to give us a follow on Twitter at NLI Weather.